Do you ever find that Facebook shows you content that is too disturbing, provocative, or simply something you don't want to see? In this video, I'll show you an easy way to make your feed more pleasant and see fewer of these posts, step by step, quickly and easily. But before we start, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any new tutorials I post. So first, open the Facebook app and log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on Facebook, in the top left corner of the screen, you'll see 3 horizontal lines. Tap on them, and this will open the menu. In the menu, find the section called Settings and Privacy and tap on it. Then, find Settings and tap on it. When you're on the Settings page, scroll down a little, and in the Preferences section, find Content Preferences and tap on it. In that section, under What You See, you'll see 2 options. Tap on Sensitive Content. Once you've done that, choose the Show Less option, and right after that, at the bottom of the screen, you'll see a Save button. Tap on it. Immediately after, tap OK. After this, your settings are saved and your feed will start showing less sensitive content. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give it a like and subscribe to my channel, Smart Assistant. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon.